Hey guys, so huge news for crypto. The $1 trillion asset manager fund, Franklin Templeton, are basically exploring ways to invest in different crypto tokens other than Bitcoin and Ethereum. Because right now every big fund is basically buying the BlackRock ETF, the Grayscale ETFs. And this fund, and again, this is a $1 trillion fund, 77 years old fund. They are basically looking at different projects. So they will be basically investing most likely millions of dollars, if not billions. And this is why I would recommend everyone to check the first top 200 crypto projects. These will most likely be the most popular and do at least 10x in my opinion, because there are already many people predicting that 100,000 Bitcoin price at the end of this year. For example, the Novogratz predicted 100,000 Bitcoin price. That's why if you are personally playing safe, I would recommend you to buy some Bitcoin, buy some Ethereum. If you're willing to risk a little bit more, I would recommend you to basically research the top 10 AI projects, top 10 gaming projects, real world asset projects that are basically pushed by BlackRock. That's basically my advice to you. I think the summer is the last chance to buy crypto relatively low, because after summer the retail will be coming. They will be checking Bitcoin price daily. Right now we have a summer season. Everyone is taking a vacation. Everyone is basically just chilling, enjoying summer. But after the summer is over, late summer, July, August, that's when everyone will come back checking prices. The Bitcoin will most likely be above $80,000 in my opinion. That's why if you are a small fish, if you're not a whale, this is the last chance to get 100x's, maybe even 1000x's, because this is the actual year when the institutions are coming in. Funds are buying Bitcoin every day. I think the BlackRock ETF is already, they are holding more than 300,000 Bitcoin. But if you're not willing to invest in crypto, the other thing you could do is find a job, because there are many big exchanges hiring people. I think Coinbase, Binance, there is this one account that posts crypto and Web3 jobs specifically. I will try to link him right here. And there are also many meme coin projects. For example, the Elon Musk meme coins like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu. I think he posted the Milady meme coin. I think the ladies is a ticker. Right here you can see he posted, I think, in 2023. And that's why there are actually many meme coins that are legit projects. That there are also this meme coin called Borpa. I think there are like 100 people working on this meme coin, something like that. I'm personally looking at meme coins on Base network, because Base is basically created by the Coinbase exchange. That's why this will be the I think this will be the biggest layer 2, worth hundreds of billions in market cap. That's why I'm personally farming for the upcoming airdrop. I hope they will drop an airdrop. One of the biggest meme coins on Base network, I think it's called Bread, just made a new all-time high. Iggy Azalea's coin Mother made a new all-time high, I think $250 million. But overall, there is so much happening in this crypto space right now. I'm already starting to feel euphoric, but I understand that 2025 will be the actual euphoria year. That's when everything will pump, in my opinion. The 4-year cycle, the liquidity cycle, the banana season is starting really soon. And yeah, that's basically everything I wanted to share. Also, I created my Patreon channel, where I will be posting all the alpha I find on the Twitter, on the Discords. I'm 24/7 in this space. That's why I will be sharing more alpha soon. And if you don't want to miss on any upcoming crypto and NFT alpha, press the subscribe, press the like, press the notification bell. So every time I upload, you get a notification instantly and you don't miss out on any upcoming crypto, NFT and airdrop alpha. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.